This is John from Suspension Max, and these are the reasons you need Suspension Max MAXXTravel A-arms. Today we're going to explain why you should consider control arms for your lifted 2011 to 2018 Silverado 2500 3500 HD. These control arms we've been manufacturing are tubular in design and allow for better upper control arm clearance to your droop stop limiter. Now, why do I need upper control arms when I'm going to level my truck? What's wrong with the factory control arms? Well, the factory control arms are designed around the factory travel, the suspension. And when you level a truck, you're going to take the ride height up between 2 and 3 inches. And above 2.5 inches, the control arm is severely limited by the factory droop stop. And that lost travel can be felt when you drive the vehicle. We resolved the limitations of the factory control arm with our Suspension Max MAXXTravel upper control arm's unique design that allows additional clearance to the upper control arm stop at an additional ride height of 2 to 3 inches. Have been designed for improved ball joint angle, which gives you more travel and longer life out of your ball joints. Suspension Max control arms are also equipped with Moog ball joints, which are pressed in and are greasable for the life of the truck and will last thousands of miles. And when you do need a new set of ball joints, you can easily press in a new set of off-the-shelf Moog ball joints. MAXXTravel upper control arms are also equipped with high-density polyurethane control arm bushings with heavy-duty control arm sleeves for extra clamping force, and they are greasable as well for a prolonged life. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about Suspension Max products like our upper control arms, please visit suspensionmax.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.